You can use much more.
On the way to the ring, at a combined weight of 486 pounds,
We're just moments away from this huge tag team match, guys.
And I don't think I've ever seen these four superstars more motivated than they appear to be.
and their opponent, at a combined weight of 492 pounds, the NXT Tag Team Champions, Angelo Dawkins and Montez Ford, the Street Profits.
Two tough, credentialed human beings. Angelo Dawkins, collegiate wrestling standout. Montez Ford, former United States Marine. These guys know how to get turned up and have a good time.
I believe the term is turnt, Corey.
That's what I said, Saxton.
Gotta put more oomph into it. More swag.
Byron, you know nothing about swag. You're embarrassing yourself, and somehow you might be the only man on earth to make the Street Profits less cool. These two dudes are legit. They're incredibly talented. They're tough, and they know how to have a good time that doesn't involve a bicycle museum. I even feel like dancing. Montez Ford is one of the best dressed guys in all of sports entertainment, and coming from me, that means something.
Both legal men are in the ring and set to start things off here. We're ready to go.
Well, even though the title is not on the line, this is still an important match for the champ. He can't afford to show any weakness here.
Oh, what a fall!
Dirty.
He's on the defensive here. He looks to be a little surprised right now.
It looks to me like his partner's itching to get in there. And now might be a good time to give him what he wants.
Oh, nasty impact.
When a superstar is in a tag team match and has endured heavy amounts of punishment, they must find a way back to their corner to tag their partner. Something that they have to try is doing create separation between them and their opponent. That space gives a superstar the ability to move and catch their breath.
Got the shoulders down. Digging deep for a kick out.
Gonna take more than that.
Corey, you touched on this before. Part of a tag team's ability to be successful is their ability to endure punishment and make their way to their partner when they need to tag out. One way to do that is to create that separation you spoke of so they have some space to gather themselves and time to make their way back to the corner.
You're absolutely right, Michael. What's the use of having a tag team partner if you're not able to get to them when you got to tag out of the match? Getting that separation is key in breaking any momentum your opponents could have, maybe the difference between a win and a loss, maybe even more.
In May of 2017, SmackDown Live saw an incredible women's tag team match when Charlotte Flair and Becky Lynch squared off against welcoming committee members Natalya and Carmella. The rivalry between these women got so intense that Naomi was in Flair and Lynch's corner, and Tamina was in Natalya and Carmella's corner.
Suplex! Boom! He looks a bit off his game here. Heading into this match, his partner looked extremely confident. I think only a group as treacherous as the welcoming committee could bring Becky Lynch and Charlotte Flair back together. Natalya's power set the tone for the match and gave her team an advantage. That was and he tags his partner in.
Momentum has certainly shifted here, Michael.
Oh my
DDT!
planet.
He's in control now.
That just echoed throughout this entire arena.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
And here's Montez Ford.
He's looking a little off balance.
Beautiful technique.
I'm not sure.
And he kicks out.
Still too fresh. That's how you wear down your opponent.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Oh my goodness, crushing it. What a stomp. Good grief. Oh, what impact.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Too quick for him there. No, reverses it. He's struggling a bit here. If they want to win this match, he really needs to make a tag soon.
This is where we find out who the better man is. And at this point, it could very well be either one of these guys. That's how close this thing is. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Angel harsh impact.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Yeah, if he hits this,
You gotta believe this one's over. He's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
He's got him covered. And the count's broken, keeping the match alive. I don't think there are two teams I'd rather see square off against each other right now. This is amazing.
Angelo Dawkins just too quick.
dropped from above. Nailed it.
Look out, he's almost there. There it is, the tag has been made.
Oh, he needed that in the worst way, Michael.
Leaping high! Double axe handle smashed. A lot has been endured by Angelo Dawkins, and he could be done very soon. There may be no coming back from this.
I'm not used to seeing this.
Yeah, things certainly appear to be trending in the wrong direction for him right now, guys.
Just a step quicker, it looks like.
Tag team history was made when the first ever SmackDown Tag Team Champions were crowned at Backlash 2016. the unlikely duo of Rhino and Heath Slater caught lightning in a bottle, and
He might have got every ounce of that one. This could be over. Oh, look at this, locked in. Submission move here.
that should do it.
There's a lot on the line in the tag team tournament finals. The Usos won.
They did it.
That had to be one of the matches of the year. Let's take another look at some of the action.
That's the kind of match that makes me proud to be here at ringside. Action from the opening bell and a finish people won't soon forget. You are not going to see many matches as good as that one. These superstars rose to the occasion and gave us more than we ever dreamed of.
Ray and Steve Cobra, Team Cobra.
And that's a nice win for these two here tonight.